When performed properly, with the correct equipment and supplies, cleaning and maintenance are preservation techniques that will prolong the life of your soft surface, keep it looking great, and prolong the need to replace it for years and possibly decades. Step-by-step ink spot treatment. Tools needed are ink spot remover, cotton towel, hot water extractor, and a Carpet and Rug Institute approved encapsulant cleaner, such as Tarkett Cyan 5. Apply ink remover to towel, never directly to the carpet. Blot gently with towel, working from the outside of the spot towards the center to minimize spreading of the ink. Turn the towel frequently. Continue to blot until transfer diminishes. At that point, apply Cyan 5. Agitate the Cyan 5 gently with towel, making sure not to spread the ink. Allow for 5-minute dwell time. Rinse using hot water extraction. Fully flush until no residue is present in the fiber. Take multiple vacuum-only passes for maximum moisture removal. Place air mover to speed drying process. It is very important that all safety precautions for equipment, chemistry, and supplies be closely followed by the individuals performing these processes. Tarkett is not responsible for personal injury or damage to property.